Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to find trending reels on Instagram. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. From there, we're going to head on over to our Reels section. And from there, if we decide to scroll down, in order for us to know the Reels that are trending, we are going to know them by the amount of likes and comments and shares that are in that reel. As you can see, this one has 1.2 million likes, 1,620 comments, and then 205k shares. Even this one, as you can see, it's still trending. This one also is trending as people have been sharing the reel and commenting, even though the comments are few. But as you can see, the likes, it is trending. Another way that we can know or we can see any trending thing is we can swipe left. From there, as we can see here at their effects, we can tap on their names, and here there it is. We can see that they have been using this effect to see anything that is trending, or we can use this effect to be trending on Instagram. We can choose another one, then we're going to tap on the effect, going to tap on their means. From there, we can see that they have this amount of followers and the amount of following, and even the post. We can tap on the ideas, and as you can see, we can see the ones that are more famous and the ones that have a lot of likes or viewers. So we can either choose between these effects or the other effects that are here, and we can decide to use them in order for us to be trending on the Instagram application. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.